I always said when I'm coaching people, entrepreneurs, and say you want a successful business, the best thing to think of is like, how could people die if they don't use your services, right? And this is tough because aesthetics is not a life or death thing. It's usually, it's a luxury, right? But when you think about it this way, if you're doing things like weight loss or body contouring, whatever it might be, if you're working in a hospital, get to know the bariatric surgeons, get to know the orthopedic surgeons, and not even the surgeons, you could, but the MAs, like anyone working at the desk, anyone, case managers are the best, anyone, because what matters to them is their surgical outcomes, right? And if someone's high risk, if you can be the one who saves them and can help, like, you can help stimulate their metabolism, you can help stimulate a new healthy path for them, do some targeted fat loss or like skinny shots, whatever, something that's going to just get them going in the right direction so they can lose the weight to get that surgery they need on their back or their knee or their hip or their shoulder, whatever it might be, right? Think that way, like, how can what I do, I know it's hard when you're doing fillers and Botox and stuff, but what can I, how can what I do make all the difference in the world to an audience that someone else is already serving? Think that way and then go after that audience. B2B2C is the most powerful way to grow.